Okay, so you're headed into the lab. Let's get you prepped on safety and equipment.
Yeah, walking in can feel a bit overwhelming, right? But we'll break it all down.
Okay, first things first. Before we even touch anything, let's talk about safety.
These rules are totally non-negotiable. They're here to keep you and everyone else safe.
Okay, you have to remember this one. Water into acid can cause a really dangerous reaction.
And this last step is simple but crucial. It stops you from taking chemicals out with you.
All right, safety's covered. Now let's check out the tools you'll use for measuring. This super sensitive instrument is your go-to for weighing out solids and powders accurately.
These come in all sorts of sizes, so you can just pick the right one for the job.
See how the liquid curves down? You always read from the very bottom of that curve.
Now, when you need to be super precise with tiny amounts, you're going to grab a pipette.
And this is a huge safety rule. You never, ever pipette by mouth. Always use a bulb.
Okay, so you've measured everything out. Now what do you use to mix it all?
You are going to be using beakers all the time. Think of them like lab mixing bowls.
And to handle those beakers, especially when they're hot, you'll need these special tongs.
Test tubes are just perfect for when you're working with smaller amounts of liquids.
And just like with beakers, if a test tube is hot, you always use a clamp.
The rack just keeps everything organized and upright. Simple, right? No spills.
And for mixing, a simple glass stirring rod. It's an absolute must-have.
Last up, let's look at the gear that holds your whole experiment together.
Think of the ring stand as the backbone for your setup. It holds everything in place.
This is a watch glass. It's great for weighing solids or just covering a beaker.
And a spatula is basically your lab spoon for moving powders and solids around.
So now you know the tools and the rules. The only question is, what will you discover?